Hi, my name is Chris Mitzos. I'm the owner of Mountain View Tire and Service. We're a 30-store Goodyear chain here in Southern California. We've been working with Daryl and 800 Cars for about 4 years now. Daryl provides an indispensable tool in our business. Through his service, we're able to track all of our advertising phone calls, where they came from, who made the call, the time, and the day of the week. And most importantly, we're able to actually listen to the calls after the customers have spoken with our sales associates. It allows us to really measure effectively how well our advertising is performing. Daryl gives great personalized service. His entire group has been a pleasure to work with. I could not imagine doing business without him, and I recommend that you work with Daryl today.